What if your yard could look better and ask less of you? In 2025, the smartest landscaping is not about perfection. It is about low-maintenance yards that save water, cut chores, and still feel beautiful every time you come home. And with ReimagineHome.ai, you can see those changes before you lift a shovel. Most of us do not have 6 extra hours a week to babysit a traditional lawn. High-maintenance grass, thirsty plantings, and random impulse buys turn weekends into yard work. Water bills creep up, weeds move in, and the yard that was supposed to give you peace becomes another project on the list. The good news? A few smart moves, native plants, mulch, clover, gravel, drip irrigation, and simple patios can cut routine yard work dramatically while actually improving curb appeal. Start small with a native pollinator patch. 3 to 5 native species, planted in clusters and mulched 2 to 3 inches deep, can suppress up to 80% of annual weeds while feeding bees and butterflies. Swap part of your lawn for clover. Micro-clover stays greener in summer, fixes its own nitrogen, and needs less mowing than traditional turf, a simple way to win back your Saturdays. In hot, dry spots, a gravel garden with drought-tolerant plants keeps roots cool, sheds weeds, and slashes watering. Lavender, sedum, and native grasses thrive where lawn fails. If you are short on space, self-watering containers turn a balcony or patio into low-effort color and food. Built-in reservoirs cut watering trips in half. Build evergreen bones, about 30 to 40% of your planting, so your yard has structure in every season. Then let perennials and grasses layer in the color. Underneath it all, drip irrigation and good edges do the quiet work. Drip delivers water right to the roots instead of the sidewalk, often reducing outdoor water use by 30 to 50% compared with overhead sprinklers. Clear edging and 2 to 3 inches of mulch can cut bed weeding time in half. With ReimagineHome.ai, you can preview all of this on a digital version of your yard. Swap a lawn for clover, test a privacy hedge, drop in a rain garden, or size a 10 by 12 paver patio, and see how it all fits before you by a single plant or paver. Landscape designers and water agencies report the same pattern. Native plants, mulch, and drip irrigation together can reduce routine yard maintenance by 30 to 60% compared with lawn-heavy designs. That means fewer hours pushing a mower and more time actually enjoying the space you built. And when you can visualize those options in ReimagineHome.ai, from clover lawn to gravel garden to one-day paver patio, it becomes much easier to choose a plan that fits your climate, your budget, and your bandwidth. Low-maintenance landscaping is not giving up on beauty. It is choosing fewer, tougher plants and surfaces that work with your life instead of stealing it. A clover lawn, a native pollinator patch, drip lines under mulch, a small rain garden, and one solid patio can turn a demanding yard into a quiet, resilient backdrop for everything else you do. If you are ready for a yard that looks better and asks less, start with a plan you can see. Use ReimagineHome.ai to map out your low-maintenance layout, test plant palettes and hardscape, and walk through the future of your yard on screen before you touch the soil. Design less work. Grow more life. Reimagine your yard with ReimagineHome.ai.